All right, Greg is going tubeless, if you will.
Hello, yes, it's me, Ted Danson. I just want to tell you about the dangers of alcoholism. So I got my friend Corky here.
That was the worst Ted Danson impression I've ever heard.
It's not an impression, it's me, Ted Danson.
I was in Cheers! Damn it!
Proud to give you...
Call me Sam Malone.
This is Guinness Book right here. Make sure you wear the goggles for safety's sake.
We're gonna call this one Oil Change on YouTube.
What? It's
Greg's actually peeing the entire time that he's drinking. Replenishing the fluids.
Alright, hang on.
Greg's not wearing pants right now.
Nice and slow.
Whoa, crazy. Drunky.
Don't make him laugh. Just easy does it. That's why I'm
Greg's getting a boner.
Everybody else is close, but he's back.
You can see the outline of the beer, and it's delicious.
That's strong.
Any words? That's not a word, Corky. Good
You
work.
get beef when you